Today we will extract a list of brands for our wholesale or dropshipping business. First of all, we are going to open a listing from Amazon, and which I have already opened, and these are all the sellers reselling this item. Okay, I will open this one because I'm pretty sure we are able to find a lot of brands from this seller because it has around 7,000 ratings. Before extracting any data from a seller, you need to check it must have some ratings in the past 30 days. Otherwise, if there are no ratings in past 30 days, that means this seller is not getting any sales. Okay. Number two is you need to check the difference between 12 months and lifetime ratings. If if the seller's age is more than a year, then it's good. This seller is a legit business and they are doing business for a long time. So we can get a lot of data from these sellers. From the URL, you can get the seller ID. It starts from A and ends at F. We'll copy it and paste in the Keepa Product Finder. There are a lot of filters you can apply while extracting data on Keepa. Here we will enter the seller ID, so Keepa will be able to extract all the products this seller is reselling. You can see there are around 2300 products this seller has listed. You can apply different filters like Amazon, selling or not, or pricing filters, rating filters, sales filters. So I'll keep it as it is because I just want to extract a list of brands for contacting them and opening trade accounts if you are doing wholesale FBA. Otherwise, you can use those brands names to find their products. So let's check out. Keep the rows all the way to 5,000. Once the data loads, okay. Now all the products are loaded in Keepa. Let's hit the export button. Here we have a list of around 2,000 rows. Now let's remove the duplicates from data cleanup, and remove the duplicates. This row this column has a header row. Okay, remove duplicates. We have 979 unique rows, which means we have 979 unique brand names which we can contact to open trade accounts with our business. Otherwise we can research their products for reselling purposes. I hope that helps. You can enter more columns to save the details of these brands. For example, if you have sent one email then and they have not replied, then you can send a second email, or third time you can even call them and take some notes if needed. If a brand does not open an account with you, they might give you a list of their distributors. You can make another list with same details, but the column A will be named as distributors instead of brands.